What's up, you guys? Matt here with Texas Edge Home Inspections. Today, I want to talk to you about breaker boxes. I'm going to start with this main breaker, or this main panel. Now, I've already been inside this, and to make it short, grounds and neutrals are to be combined inside of a main panel, ground wires and neutral wires. But when it comes to sub panels, it's a different story. Now I'm going to take you into the garage and show you inside the sub panel. Okay guys, so back behind me is the sub panel, and this is where all the breakers that control everything in the house are. So I want to take you in for a little bit of a closer look because I did mention about ground wires and neutral wires. Let me show you what's going on inside this sub panel. This is relatively new equipment and it's run pretty cleanly. We are missing some antioxidant gel on the lugs where the aluminum surface wires come in. However, what I really want to focus in on is this ground wire that is on the same bus bar as the white neutral wires. You can see the rest of the neutrals are over here and the rest of the grounds are actually back behind on another bus bar. So why is this an issue? Well guys, when the ground wires and the neutral wires share a bus bar in the sub panel, which is what this is, it actually can cause the flow of electricity that's supposed to go back on the neutral wire to go back on the neutral and ground wire. Okay, what does all that mean? Basically, it means your grounds can become energized. Obviously, that's not a safe situation. We want to get someone out here to come out here and correct this. That wire, that ground wire needs to be properly attached to the grounding bus bar inside the sub panel. Okay, guys, I'm going to go finish inspecting this house. Hey, give me a call because I want to inspect your next house. Bye now. Hey, you guys, thanks for watching. Please feel free to like and share. And if you'd like to see more of my videos, head on over to YouTube and hit subscribe.